Good Monday morning. I wanted to give you some information as we begin this week. It's an exciting week here at VZG. Our face-to-face pre-K, kindergarten, and first grade students are returning to campus today. I wanted to remind you that second and third will begin on October 13th, and then we will welcome the face-to-face fourth and fifth graders on October 19th. So we are excited about that. I'm sure you probably have questions. So please contact Ms. Green or I or the office, and we'd be glad to give you the information that we have. Also wanted to remind you that the state of Texas and Fort Worth ISD has required teachers to provide what they call asynchronous and synchronous instruction virtually to students. Then that time requirement is 290 minutes of instruction, either live or recorded, so that the students can do independent work as well. So that 290 minutes is a little over 4 hours. And so you can expect for your child to be successful, for them to block off 4 hours a day currently to complete their assignments and their learning. I did an informal poll with students the other day during class, and some have been very honest and said they spend about 20 minutes on schoolwork a day. Some said, 4 hours, some said 5 hours, some said an hour. So the average student should have 4 hours worth of live and independent work each school day. And so if you have questions about that, I know that Ms. Green and I have been reaching out to you. But I think there may be some misunderstandings with students. So we clarify that almost on a daily basis. But you as a parent need to be aware of that as well if you are not already aware of that. So if there's anything we can do to help your child to be more successful, please let us know. And we can give you some ideas about blocking off that schedule or providing a schedule at home. On my Google Classroom page, there is a sample schedule for those in my homeroom of what their day should look like. We will keep you updated as to what the schedule is going to look like beginning October 19th, because that will change a little bit, not the time requirement. So those that choose to be virtual will still have that time requirement, but the schedule itself may look a little different, so we'll be communicating that to you. So if you have any questions, let us know. It's going to be a great week. I know it. We're excited for what we have in store for your child. Their assignments are posted daily. And so remember, from that day, they usually post about 7:30 in the morning. They have until midnight, of course, to complete that day's assignments. That will help them to keep on track for the next day's learning, because every day we're introducing something new. And so we don't want them to feel overwhelmed, and we certainly don't want parents to feel that stress and overwhelmed feeling either. So let us know if you have questions, and we will be talking to you throughout the week. Have a great week.